Hello, this is Hannah Cole with Sunlight Tax. I want to talk to you about this new retroactive provision that is in the brand new stimulus bill that was just signed by President Biden last week. So, first of all, oh my God, what a bill it is. It makes me so proud to be an American. If you made phone calls to get out the vote, if you knocked on doors, if you did that hard work of democracy and got our Congress flipped, then our Senate flipped in particular, then I want to personally thank you because I feel so happy that this bill is going to do all the good it is going to do. One thing you should know, this bill is going to lift 50% of American children out of poverty. What a big deal. It is a first step in guaranteed income for families with children. And it actually goes a long way toward that end. So this is a really enormous deal, and I want you to celebrate. I want you to thank a Democrat. I want you to make those phone calls at the midterm elections because it really matters what Congress does and what the president is able to do because we have both houses in Congress. All right, I want to talk to you about unemployment. Let's do a little bit of math here. So one of the provisions in this bill is actually retroactive. Now, retroactive laws are rare for good reason because they're a real pain in the ass. But this one is a good one. It's going to benefit you, even though it's going to be a terrifying headache for me. So unemployment, if you received unemployment in 2020, it will not be taxed by the federal government. Now, your state may still tax it, but the federal government will not. What you should know is normally unemployment income is taxed. So what does that actually look like? Let's see what this is going to actually do on your taxes because you want to know about it. So the first $10,200 of your unemployment benefit is not going to be taxed. So if you get $10,200 of unemployment, normally that would be taxed at your income tax rate, whatever that is. If at a 10% rate would be $1,020 of tax you'd pay on that money. If you're in a 20% income tax bracket, that would be taxed, that would be double that, so $2,040. So, you're probably in between this range, so it's probably somewhere in between those two numbers is your tax you will pay on $10,200 of unemployment. This is per spouse. If you have two spouses in the family both getting unemployment, you're going to add these amounts together and you each get a $10,200 cap. Okay, so what does it mean that it's not taxed? What it means is that tax that you paid throughout the year because you had withholding on your unemployment will get paid back to you as a refund of this amount, depending on your tax bracket. Or if you never had any withheld, what it's going to mean is when you file your taxes, you will not have to pay that tax. There will be no tax taken out of it. So it's a really big deal. It's going to give you probably, for most of you watching, somewhere between $1,000 and $2,000 back in your pocket per person who got unemployment benefits. So it's a really big deal. The other note I want to make about this, though, and be careful, is this law is retroactive for 2020 taxes, and you may have already filed. If you already filed, I checked the IRS website today, and they said, wait. Do not file an amendment yet. You want to slow your roll. Wait for further guidance. What that means to me as a professional when I read that is that says the IRS is trying to come up with a way to capture that and get it back to you without you needing to file an amendment. They already have the information at the IRS. I don't know how they'll get that to you. We have to wait. So slow your roll. If you haven't filed your taxes yet and you got unemployment in 2020, I highly recommend that you wait. Again, wait for guidance to be issued. Wait for the tax software you're using to get updated. No tax software has this update in it yet, so don't file today. Hold off for maybe 2 weeks to let all the tax softwares update so that this will actually be credited to you because you don't want to miss this. This is a big benefit given to you by that Democratic Congress and Senate and President, and so you want to get that benefit. All right. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Take care. Bye-bye.